You have several options for managing your content blocks. You can add a content block above or below an existing block, or directly from the content. You have several categories of blocks to add depending on your needs, with predefined templates. To add the block of your choice, simply click on it and it will appear on your page. To move it, click on the dots at the top left of your block and hold it down to move it up or down. To delete a block, click on the trash can, and to duplicate one, click on the cogwheel on Duplicate and choose the location. What's more, all the elements in your block can be modified. By hovering over them, you can modify them directly. If you wish to delete an element, click on it, then click on the garbage can, then on Confirm. You can also create a typical content block by clicking on Design a Content Block. You have several elements at your disposal that you can simply drag onto the block to design your ideal block. Don't forget to click on the Apply Changes button at the bottom of the page to avoid losing your block. It's also very important to keep your site as airy as possible and only include the most important elements. Don't overload your site with text, nor condense too many elements, otherwise your site won't be visually pleasing. To do this on your block, click on the cogwheel. Scroll down in the settings to default block spacing. You can then deactivate them and set your own parameters.